Jory, today was President Trump's turn, his turn to see this devastation up close. Behind me, charred hills right here in Malibu, damaged, destroyed homes. We can tell you that President Trump landed in Southern California. Our cameras were there when he landed a little more than an hour ago in Point MUGU. President Trump is wrapping up his tour of a part of Malibu in an area deeply affected by the Woolsey Fire. He touched down in the state earlier this morning in Northern California and then made his way to Southern California this afternoon. He began touring Malibu shortly after landing around 3 o'clock. He surveyed a piece of the flame-ravaged area with current Governor Jerry Brown and soon-to-be Governor Gavin Newsom. Trump declined to say whether he believed climate change contributed to wildfires in the state, but earlier today he said, quote, "There are a lot of factors." Trump tweeted last week there was no reason for these massive fires, blaming poor forest management. Today, he only said there is work to be done and praised the work firefighters have already completed.
It's devastating to see it. I have to say the government officials have done an incredible job. When you look at this devastation, and I guess at this moment in this area, there are 3 deaths so far. 3 deaths. It's pretty incredible. It's horrible, but it's also pretty incredible. The job they've done, they evacuated very early and they took a lot of heat and they made the right decision.
We don't have how many supporters greeted the president at Point MUGU when he landed, but we do know several dozen supporters greeted him in Chico when he landed in Northern California. Dozens more lined the way to Paradise, California. President Trump has said tonight that his next stop is to meet with victims of the mass shooting here in Thousand Oaks.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Click the ABC7 logo to subscribe to our Eyewitness News YouTube channel.